We got the whole fleet here today.
Oh, you got a little stick for it.
So this is the floaty stick.
Floaty stick.
Here's the floaty stick. You can see it right here. It's so when I drop the camera in the water, it'll float.
I don't think they can hear us.
They can definitely hear us. You can hear me, right? All right. I'll update you guys when I'm on the water. Riley is right there. I'm right here. Hello. On the water today. Logan right there. There he is. Oh yeah. There we go, Riley. Turning it around, Riley. Good job. Here we go. Oh, there's so much silt. Silt in my yak. We're here on the water in the yaks. We're tethered together right now. Somehow Riley got silt in his.
I've been silted. I don't think they can hear you. I couldn't hear you in the video. You could barely hear you. Because your mic was wet.
No, I could hear I watched the video. I could hear myself.
Oh, I don't think you did. Is it waterproof by itself?
It's waterproof. Watch this.
The other ones.
I know the other ones need check this out, man. Epic. Logan's eating sun chips right now. Logan's eating sun chips right now.
Hold fast. Steady, man.
Westward we go. Right now I have the heater on, trying to warm up my feet. They're cold. There's Riley out there. Slow glimpse of Logan. Logan right there. There's Riley again.